Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 26 H2 Insider update in the dev channel build number 26300.8276. Hey everyone and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab, where we break down the latest Windows updates in a way that actually makes sense. Today we're looking at the latest dev channel release from Microsoft, build number 26300.8276, part of the upcoming Windows 11 26 H2. And you might be wondering why I'm calling it 26 H2. You can see if you go to Windows Update, then Update History, and then Uninstall Update, you will see 26H2 is there with an enablement package. And trust me, this one is all about polish, performance, and real-world usability. And like always, features are rolling out gradually using Microsoft Control Feature Rollout system. So if you don't see everything right away, that's normal. Let's start with something subtle, but very important. Microsoft's finally fixing confusion in location settings. If you turn up location services, options like default location and location override will now be grayed out automatically. Before users thought something was broken, now it's clear. If a location is off, those settings won't work. It's a small UX fix, but honestly it should have been like this from the day one. File Explorer gets another round of point improvements. Search box icons are now more consistent across devices. Improved overall stability. This is Microsoft slowly cleaning up inconsistent across PCs. Especially important with Copilot Plus PCs, different screen sizes, accessibility tools, not flashy but very necessary. If you've ever opened your laptop and your fingerprint scanner just doesn't work properly, good news. Improved Windows Hello fingerprint reliability after sleep. This ensures faster unlock, fewer failed attempts, more consistent wake experience. This is one of those fixes you don't notice until it's broken. Another small but impactful improvement. Clipboard history is now faster. If you use Win key plus V, copy-paste workflow, productivity tools, you will feel this immediately. This one's especially important for global users. Microsoft updated Litawati UI font family for Thai, Blau, Khmer, Lantera scripts. All this improves better Glippy positioning, improved rendering, cleaner text display. This shows Microsoft is continuing to improve international language support, which is huge. Now let's be real for a second. Not everything you see here will make it to the final version. Microsoft clearly says some features may change, some may be removed completely, some may never ship. That's the nature of dev channel. Quick reminder, if you're running this build, that's a desktop watermark, totally normal. Features roll out gradually. You can enable early updates via Settings, then Windows Update, and make sure this toggle is turned on. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. So that's it for today's video, Windows 11 26 H2 Insider Dev channel. Build number 26300.8276. If you want more breakdowns like this where I get through the noise and tell you what actually matters, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.